What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over BTC, currently sitting at 66.8, 66.9, market cap 1.44 trillion, 24 volume, 25 billion. So we came down to the target of our head and shoulders. I did think we might see a bit of a bounce first, but the alternative was just to come down straight to the target as we did reject off the neckline, and that's what we did. So a couple scenarios here. The first one is we've come down in a wave 3, and now you push up in a wave 4 in between 69 and 73K. Now, if we come all the way up and break the 50%, then I would look at this already being completed as a 5-wave move into a 1, and then you'd pull back into a 2, not that high, and then you would continue down towards 30 to 40K, which is where I think we'll bottom in October, November 2026. Of course, we can come down to create a little bit of a lower low before we do see that bounce back to the upside. But the important level to watch, in my opinion, is that 50%. I have a little bit of lag while I'm screen recording here at 73.1 to see if we can hold a wave 4. If we're going to push a bit higher, then we'll look at a 1, 2, and then continuation down. But on the daily time frame, everything is playing out. I said I don't expect the wave B to push higher. I think it's already in, and so far that's looking really good as we're coming very, very close to breaking the low and coming down in the wave 5 to complete the wave C. And if we zoom out here, you can see this target zone is pulled from the bear market low all the way up to the top. That gives you a target in between 24 to 44K. I think it's much more likely we're going to bottom in the 30 to 40K range in October, November 2026. Let's take a look at Ethereum, currently sitting at 1874. Market cap 233 billion, 24-hour volume 14.17 billion. So if we look at ETH, we broke that low. I did expect that low to get swept, but we have come down pretty far. So what we may be looking at here is that we completed 5 waves down. And now you're going to push up relatively soon in between 2.1K and 2.3K. Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3, Wave 4, Wave 5, all the way down in between 1234 and 1436 towards October, November 2026, in my opinion. Of course, we can create a little bit of a lower low before we bounce. But if we do bounce, I would watch for rejection from this target zone and potentially a good short opportunity. In the daily chart, if we look at the bear market, the start of the bull market in 2022, can take a fib retracement from that low all the way up to the high for ETH. We just barely broke the previous bull market high, just barely. And as you can see, if we were to come all the way down to our target zone in between 1235 and 1434, that lines up with the 78.6, which is normal for a wave 1 to the upside and wave 2 pullback. I'll have to add my larger wave count here on the weekly, or the daily and the weekly on this chart. But that's what we'll be looking at for a bear market low and then a move back to the upside. All right, gang, if you want completely free access to my investing and trading group, take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex, no strings attached. Once you've signed up, send me an email. I'll send you the link, which includes my daily crypto analysis, as well as silver and gold, but for all your favorite crypto projects, ADA, Solana, BNB, let me scroll up here, XRP, BTC, ETH, yours free with a 30-second sign up to Bitfinex. Send me an email after you sign up, no strings attached. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.